Hi, welcome back to the Appliance Corner. I'm Jared, your friendly neighborhood technician, and today we're going to talk about the Sensi Temp Burners, the new coil burner that's coming to market. 2018, they made a regulation that you have to have a sort of fail-safe. These came around to help prevent grease fires. They have Sensi Temp sensor that pushes up and down, and what happens is your pan needs to make contact with this, otherwise the burner will not come on. And we've had some questions: why aren't my burners working as well as I'm used to? Why is it harder to boil water? Sometimes, why is my burner not working at all? Some of the problems that people are running into: if your burner is not relatively clean, if your Sensi Temp sensor is not relatively clean, if your Sensi Temp does not go up and down when you push it, those are all problems that are going to stop the burner from running efficiently. So if you're having problems with this, you check the cleanliness of your burner, you check to make sure that your Sensi Temp is functioning properly, and you also check the pan that you're using. Now, a good way to see if the pan that you're using is going to work properly, you get a ruler or any sort of a straight edge, and you put it along the pan, and you try to pass a nickel under the ruler. If the nickel will pass under the ruler, then there is too much space between your pan and the Sensi Temp burner. It will not function properly. Also, you need to get the burner and the pan to be the proper size. You don't want a pan that's this big on a burner that's this big. It's going to affect the temperature and it's not going to work right. So you want to match the pan with the burner. You want to make sure that the burners are clean, that the pan is clean, and that there is not a gap between the pan so that it'll stop the burner from working properly. These are all tips to make your burners work more efficiently, and this should stop any problems that you're having with your burners not working properly. Thank you very much for tuning in, and please subscribe to our channel and like the video, and thank you very much.